Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, February 9th. Time is 9:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we've been creeping up overnight pre-market after that big rise. Wasn't big, but big enough from yesterday's oil inventories. And not really much to see as far as even though these are pretty nice ranges here. Nothing that I like to play in just yet because I don't see big institutional prints or anything. But I'll continue to look at it, gauge it, and see if those actually come in. So the dollar is it's testing on this 50-day moving average. Just kind of sideways right now. That is that the okay? It's above value area high. Let me zoom in on that. Barely see it. Okay, yeah, this is value area high here, and it is look like it keeps testing it, but haven't broken down for any significant period of time, except right here. But over here, still isn't anything to look at there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to watch. This is probably going to be a really quick trading day for me. As I'm starting to get a little bit under the weather. So, but we will see what we can actually do, see if we can grab a trade or two. All right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, got a slight push up, and I missed it. Wasn't really paying much attention just yet. So, I'm seeing some big prints coming in up here, but stochastics is still in the middle. So, I'm not really sure of a area just yet to look at. Possibly the one deviation line up here, as those prints will 27, 30. Yep, the prints will fit within the 9 and 19 parameters at the one deviation line. But I'll start looking for absorption and sellers starting to step up before I get into a trade. So it's going to be a fairly conservative style trade for me. But still aggressive buyers pushing in, aggressive buyers lifting off offer at the moment. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna watch, and we'll be back see if we can get in a trade. All right, guys, happened really quick. I got short 53.03. Half just came off at 52.93, and stop is now sitting at break even. So let's see if we're gonna push on down from this point here, and see if we can gain a few ticks out of it. All right, be back shortly. All right, stopped out at that point, and I'm gonna see if we can push back up here to the 8 moving average and probably look to short it again. All right, be back in a minute. All right, bears are looking pretty strong. Got short 10 contracts 53.01. Stop is sitting at 53.10 for a 9-tick stop, and take profit is 52.91 down here. All right. See if we can work this one. All right, be back in a minute. All right, I went ahead and scratched this trade at 53.01. Started seeing some absorption going on from the buyers, and just kind of want to see what we're going to do right here off of the 53.08 area, but don't want to give anything back today. Hope I don't anyway. So, all right, be back in a moment. All right, got short 10 contracts 53.09, and we're just gonna pull the entire 10 ticks off it from this point here to see if we can actually work this to the point where I need it. So take profit is at 52.99 for 10 ticks, and stop is sitting at 53.19. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, I went ahead and changed that to half off, and I'll end up moving my stop to break even like I normally trade. I'm seeing a divergence off of my 30-minute chart. Let's see if I can draw these out for you. one here, and the divergence is down here off the stochastics at that point. So we'll see if we can push down from this point here. So we're still kind of in a choppy area, a lot of volume built up. Well, not a lot, but starting to get that way. Right around the 53.10 level, and then there's quite a bit down here at 52.98. So we'll see if we can hold this moving average and continue to push down from here. All right, short 10 contracts, 53.09. Look to pull half off at 52.99. Or yeah, half off 52.99. Stop still sitting at 53.19 up here. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that to 53.13. 53.14 for a 5-tick stop. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, got half off here, 52.99. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even at 53.09, and we'll see if we'll push down, continue to push down from there. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I went ahead and pulled 2 more contracts off at 52.99 for 10 ticks. Leave me 3 contracts short, 53.09. Hard level is having a difficult time breaking through here. You can see on the volume profile, a lot of orders at this level, so it's key level at this point, and just wanted to lock in a little bit more profit. This is going to be my last trade. I'm feeling kind of blah. So we're going to work this one and see if we can pull a few more ticks out of it. Short 3 contracts, 53.09, stop sitting at break even, and no targets yet as far as to continue to scale out. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, going ahead and move my stop to 53.05 right here. That will lock in 4 ticks, and I'm gonna see if I can pull one contract off at 89, 1 tick below this this low at the moment within this chop. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, got one off there for 20 ticks. That leaves me 2 contracts short, 53.09, and we'll probably see if we can pull another one off somewhere around the 200-day moving average. So, okay, be back in a minute. Okay, guys, it's been a while. I'm sitting in my chair. I got a lazy boy in my office. I went to sit down in that for a minute, start dozing off. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop here at 99 now, and add a lock in 10 ticks. So I'll see if I can 69. Can we get down there? Maybe. I'll set a take profit, pull one more contract off at 69, and we'll just let it play out from there. So alright, I'm gonna go sit back down again. I'll be back when I see some kind of action. Alright, be back shortly. Alright, guys, I'm back. Took a little cat nap and looked like I got stopped out of this trade. So no big deal, a little bit of profit for the day, but so I'm gonna wrap this on up, and we'll see if we're back to trade tomorrow, see how I feel. So alright, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Alright, bye.